Hello everyone, good morning. Now you can sit, and my Pura has come here, and today I'm going to share something. It's yellow everywhere because it's sunset now. It's going to be 6:30, and I was planning to go somewhere today. I was planning to go outside to make video for walking as well, and but what happened, like I just woke up 5:30, and then I thought let's go to upstairs and make the video. So now I'm making the video and I'm going to share something, but I don't know why, but I'm seeing everywhere, like, but there is no one here, there is no one who can see me, so why I'm caring about anyone? There is nobody. I just want to share my happened to my channel as well. Many people are thinking like, why am I not telling the real truth? Sometimes I just avoid it because it is my mistakes, okay, and I accept it, I acknowledge it, and I feel regret about that because it was my mistake. I know, like, I shouldn't have done that, but sometimes somewhere or the other thing, I should tell the truth. I should tell completely clearly to everyone, so they will not feel any disturbance, like they will not feel confused. Like some people think, will it happen just because of copyright issue, any another YouTube guideline, something, but it is not like that. I got copyrighted issue, and there were some guidelines that I didn't follow. There was some problem, but I didn't have much problem from YouTube guideline. I had the problem with myself. That's how it happened. I sometimes it feels like I was in that emotional uh, time, and I always think we should never make any decision in emotions, okay? Every decision is bad and wrong if we make decision if in emotions, okay? So that's about, like, my emotional decision I made. That I feel like nothing is working, I don't have good views, and I couldn't like my channel couldn't monetize everything. I felt so sad, I was terrible, and I had another emotional problem, like I have a PCOD, okay? In this situations you get what do we say that, mood swing, right? So I had mood swing that time, and I wasn't feeling like talking to anyone and sharing, but it happened now, and I'm feeling regret, like why did I do it? I could just deactivate it, right? But still it was I can get I could get back, but I didn't get back, and that is something happened, and I feel so bad, miserable, feels like, but still I have a hope because I believe in myself, and my determinations, my passions, this is all matter, I think. And whatever I have left, whatever I have made mistake, that those mistakes taught me a lot, like how to be um, strong emotionally, and when we shouldn't make the decision. So this is the good lesson I have learned, and I'm not gonna repeat. I'm really sorry if someone's didn't like that. I'm really sorry who are watching, my earlier subscriber, my old subscriber who are watching. Please, I apologize from everyone. I made this, and I am a human being. Everyone makes such mistakes, so please forgive me. And I just want to talk about something else as well, like um, about classes. If you want to take classes, you can reach me out on WhatsApp. I have already posted my number you can see on my channel's post. If you want to take classes, please message me on WhatsApp. I would like to see. Bye bye, take care.